Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone how to use the essentials of marketing to find a better job. Let's get started. Today I want to talk to you about the value of your own website. And when I say your own website, I'm not just talking about a website that you either designed yourself or you had somebody build for you. I'm talking about also owning your own domain, yourname.com. johnsmith.com, jasonthemarketingprofessor.com, something along those lines. Or it can be a .net or a .edu, something that you own yourself. And here's the reason why. Most of the time when you're applying for a job, if a recruiter or a hiring manager is thinking about you, they get online and they start doing some searching to check you out. After all, your resume says what you want it to say. It talks about your successes, the places you've worked. But this is a society that doesn't always trust everything that's on a piece of paper. So hiring managers want to look at your Facebook page and see if there's pictures of you partying into the late night hours, doing nefarious things, or maybe if you're a family person doing things on vacation, things they shouldn't be taking into consideration when making a hiring decision, but they do. So a couple things to think about. If your name is John Smith, and somebody's looking up John Smith online, and you own johnsmith.com, boom. First thing that's going to show up is your domain because it's a specific search. This is helping your own website's SEO. Also, when they go to that website, now you control the narrative. Everything that's on your website is what you want to be there. Maybe it's a short video welcoming a hiring manager. Maybe it's got some praises and accolades from people you used to work with or past managers, a copy of your resume, copies of awards, maybe some videos again of things you've done in public service, helping out clients, things along those lines. It's much more robust than just a print resume, and it really paints a holistic picture of who you are and who you can be as a member of a team. Plus, like I said again, you're controlling the content. You own everything. You can make changes as you need. And as new things come down the pike, new experiences, new certifications, new responsibilities, new titles, you can add that to your website. Now, you're probably saying, well, I've got LinkedIn for that, or I've got Facebook for that. And you're right. Absolutely you do. But I'm going to throw a wrinkle at you. What happens if tomorrow, for some weird reason, LinkedIn goes away? Poof. So does all the experience you had listed. Or what if Facebook tomorrow decides to say, hey, we're not going to show anybody's advanced degrees. We want everybody to look equal. Well, now you're just like everybody else, okay? With other websites like that, they control the content. They own the content. Even though you're putting your own photos up there, or your own resume and your own experience, they own the content. With your own website, you control the content, you own the domain, you control the narrative. And as you're looking for a new role, it's extremely important that you remain in the driver's seat. You control what people say and think about you, and it's an opportunity for you to remain in absolute control. Hey, if you like short lessons like this, do me a favor, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And if there's something you want me to cover on how you can use the latest marketing techniques to find a better job, let me know. Drop me an email at jason@themarketingprofessor.net, and I'll be sure to cover it for you. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you next time. See ya.